Hello friend, welcome back my channel. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that many Samsung device owners might encounter bypass Google Factory Reset Protection or FRP. FRP is a security feature designed to protect your device and personal information from unauthorized access after a factory reset. But if you have forgotten your Google account credential or having trouble accessing your device, don't worry, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to navigate this process safely and effectively. Remember, this matter is for legitimately use only. Make sure you are the rightful owner of this device. Okay friend, let's start the video without wasting any time. In this video, I am using a system to bypass this FRP. Okay friend, this is setup. Click on the setup manually. Please connect the Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Without Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot, you cannot be able to do this process. So now friend, there is a page. I forget my pattern, so simply click use my Google account instead. But I also forget Gmail ID, so I will stuck in this page. So verify your account and forget my Gmail ID. So how to bypass this page? So let's start the tutorial. Now first go to this English and go to this English US, choose language English US. Click on this OK button, click on this start button, click on this agree button, go to setup manually and go to this next button. Wait for a second, wait. Now go to this add network, there is a setting icon, click on this setting icon and the last option is reset default setting, reset erase personalized protection, touch recognition data and clear cache. After doing this process, now go to the PC. You can download this app from our comment box. Okay. Now click on this Samsung FRP MTP. Okay, device port. Now you can FRP log. There is a message. Enter to the text mode. And click on this OK button. Now wait few seconds. Okay friends, after completing PC process, now go to this emergency call again and write a code. Open the testing menu and go to the speaker, go to blue section, go to sub key and then go to black section and click here. After doing, click back and go to the start button, click to agree, setup manually. Okay friends, now you can see that there is a skip option in the left corner of on this page. Now click on this skip button to bypass this page. It's mean FRP remove. Click don't copy. Click escape. Click more and click in the accept button. Click escape anywhere. Click OK. Getting your phone ready. Click forget button, setup later in settings. Click on the skip option. Click to all, click to agree, click next. Click on the next, finish. Click agree. Choose your language, click English, click on this next button. Click continue, click on the skip. Now click install, finish. Okay friends, after successfully remove FRP, your phone look like that. Thank you for watching.